Hello friends, let's talk about new OHO trend finder indicator. How to find a trade with OHO trend finder indicator and trailing stop loss. Okay, now this whenever we add the indicator to our chart, it will show only this single line. Currently in this single line, here we can see the color of this line is green. It's a daily chart of Nifty. We can see it at bottom of the candles, downside of the candles, so we should be in the upside trade only. We should not be in the sell side trade. Okay, so we can see here that it has changed this trend on 28th September from bearish to bullish side. Okay, so how to take a trade? We have to just simply mark the high of this candle. Okay, we have to just mark the high for a swing trading or short-term trading. Okay, now if you want to trade for a intraday or swings, we should go for the lower time frames. This is a daily time frame. In daily time frame we can see that it is on a upside. Okay, so we should go in the 15 minutes time frame if we want to trade in a intraday position. Okay, so we have seen that in daily time frame we can see that it's on a buy side signal. Okay, so we can confidently take the buy side trades. Now see here, it was a purple line. It was a purple line on 30th September 3:15 p.m. Okay, so it was on a downside, but and in very first candle on 1st October at 9:15, it changed the trend from bearish to bullish, and we have to mark the high of this candle, friends. Horizontal line, and we have to mark the high of this candle. If any candle closed above this line, we have to buy there. Now this is 1 2 3, fourth candle is closing above the line of this. Okay, let me mark, make some bold. Let me make it bold. Okay, now this third candle is closing above the line, so we should buy on this at 11,388. its closing is 11,388, so we have to buy on 11,388, and we have the SL line. It's a trailing SL line moving along with the price. Okay, so it's above the trailing SL line, so means, and it's also seeing that it's a green line, so we can buy it. And it's closed at 425, so we can exit here or at where you want to exit. Okay, now if we go backward somehow, one day back on 29th September. Okay, we opened that day, it was a uptrend in Delhi, and it changed. We have to mark the high of this candle. Now we have to see this, that this is the previous opportunity, because line is continuing from past days, so we cannot take this as a buy side signal. Okay, so now next is, here it's a downside trade, and we have to mark the low of this. If we take a downside trade, we have to mark the low of this candle, and if any candle closes below this line, we have to short here. Okay, but no candle is closed, so we cannot take any trade. And secondly, the above line has a purple color, so purple color means it's a trend changing time, means anytime we can see the change in trend. And third thing also, that is the color of this trailing SL is green, and we want to short the script, short the Nifty, so we cannot do that, because if a green is color is green, means it's already in uptrend, and its trailing is down, so it might be in a sideways trend. So see, this is a properly sideways market. Okay, so we have not taken the trade. Now forget it. Now here we see the buy side signal. Here this candle closed and we have to mark the high. Here any is there any candle close above? No, it changed, rather it changed. Again no trend, again no trade. We have to delete that. Okay, now again we have a downside trend. We can mark the low of this candle. Okay, we have to do these things so that if we are on the downside, this candle has closed the below the low of this candle. Okay, now we have short that it's a purple color line, minded friends, but if you want to take risk, then you can do it. And on the daily time frame, it's on a buy side trade. Okay, we short at 11,210. Okay, and it gone to 11,184. No idea of booking profits even before 40 points. Minimum 40 points is needed always. Okay, so this trend is changing here. Look at this, it's again green in color and it's closed above, and again this make the rather we can say that we have a SL at this point. If you have taken a trade at purple line, only take trade for downside if it is a red line, but you can do that at risk, because daily candle is also showing the upside trend. Okay, so this is particular properly risky trade if we do that. Okay, so let's do again. Okay, here it is a SL 11,000. It's an SL 11,258 and we shorted at 11,200, almost 40 points SL, 50 points SL. Okay, now again we have see that it's a green side. Again we have to mark the high of this candle, and if any candle closes above this line, we can. Now again we have this candle closed above the line and we have entered into trade at 11,289 and it goes below, the market goes below this line. Here in this candle it changed to purple color, so we can exit also here, but we can wait till the SL hits. Okay, it's 11,227. We bought at 289, 70 points, 60 points again. SL we can see that it's a range bound day. Okay, and on range bound day we each and every time we will see the SLs. Okay, and one thing more, friends, here in this particular trade we have marked this, and in between the trend was changed, so this was not a valid. Okay, now we have to again see the next green color line. Okay, we have to mark the high of this color. Okay, so we have to buy at this point of time, 11,249. Okay, and we have gone to through 11,296, so we have got the 50 plus points. So here we can book the profits. Not it's, we can't consider it as an SL hit, it's a profitable trade also. Okay, so only one SL hit, that is also a downside trade with the purple color line and a daily uptrend side. Okay, so that's not a good, that was also not a good trade. Okay, now on the previous day, if we go to okay, so let's do it on an hourly chart. If we go through hourly charts, we can see that, what we can see that what we can see that on hourly charts we have this. Here we change the trend, and we here we can not take the trade, friends. See, here we cannot take the trade because it's a red in, so we have to wait at least for purple color line. Okay, at least for purple color line. Okay, here purple color line. Okay, now this candle closed above this line, and we have bought at 11,055, and for swing trading always do the hedging, friends. Okay, and from 11,055 to now it's running at 11,425, almost 425 points, friends. So you can see that 400 points, almost 380 points we have seen that. Okay, we have trailing SL along with us, so no need to worry about that, and the color is not changed to red anywhere. Okay, if we take a previous swing trade, friends, we can see here it's a green color, purple color. We have to mark first here, purple color we have to mark first here, and then suddenly to change the gray, so we have to delete that, and then again purple color here we have to mark this candle, because we can take trade at purple color but we can't take trade at green color for short side. Okay, now again it's not closed, it's again green, so it's invalid. Again we will delete this. Okay, now green, this is here purple color, so we will mark the bottom of this candle. Okay, now if any candle closes below this candle, we will short. We can short at 11,317. Okay, after 11,317, see the trade till 10,700, 800, 10,800. Okay, 500 points we got it in a swing trade. And if we exit with proper trailing SL method, then we exit at almost 10,975, 11,000 we can say. We have enjoyed the 300 points profit, friends. Okay, properly. So this is the way how to trade with this indicator, friends. Okay, this is a free indicator, friends. No charges are applicable for this indicator. Please share this indicator so that anybody could be helped. We can see the stocks also with this indicator. Now you have seen that we have applied this indicator to all time frames, and see the stocks. Here it is HDFC, red line, mark the low, low cut with no color, any color candle can be cut, can cut the trade. Here we can see the now it's a purple color, mark the high, and high cut at 1688, boom, 100 points. Here low cut at 1737, boom, 1600 plus point, and we exit 1670, and we enter 60 points profits if we trail with proper. Okay, so this is the way, friends. You can try it in 5 minutes also, friends, and 15 minutes also, whichever time frame you wanted, you can do that. Okay, see, in 15 minutes you can trade also. High cut hit, downside trade we can't take at green color. Okay, we can only take green color if we are on a buy side trade. Okay, now enjoy this and share with the public. Thank you, friends.